Hi everyone, it's Femi Olaniyan here and welcome to another video. In this video, I will be showing you a new investment to help you make money daily on your phone, and you don't have to do anything. You don't need to refer anyone, you don't need to promote anything. All you need is just your capital. But before I show you guys what this investment is all about, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I'm a crypto trader and I make videos on personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Thank you. Now, as you can see on the screen, I'm currently on the home page of the Trove app. Now, for those of you that have been following my channel for a while, you should know what the Trove app is all about. It's one of my best investment apps and it is used for investing in Nigerian and foreign stocks. But this video is not to talk about how to invest in stocks. If you want to learn how to invest in stocks or make money with stocks on the Trove app, I have a playlist on that. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. But what I'm here to talk about is a new investment that has been introduced on the Trove app, and this is called Trove N. Now, this new category of investment on the Trove app allows you to invest your money and earn interest without doing anything, and I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. Now, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you download the Trove app on App Store or Play Store. And the second thing is to register your account on the app. Now, once you register your account, on the home page of the app, you'll see where you have Introducing Earn by Trove. Put your money to work and earn interest without guesswork. And then you click on Get Started. Now, once you click on Get Started, if you are just clicking it for the first time, at the top of the screen, you will see where you have Please create a fixed income to proceed. And then you tap on Continue. And then you can see this information on the screen where it says create a portfolio of local fixed return instruments. Take the guesswork out of investing by creating a fixed income Naira portfolio with returns of up to 15% annually. And then you come to the bottom side of the screen and tap on Get Started. And then the next thing you'll be seeing are the terms and conditions for this investment. So these are the terms and conditions that you need to read for this investment. You can see they are too long, so I can't read all of this, and I'm very sure you are also not going to read this. So at the end of all these terms and conditions, you'll be seeing 3 open boxes that you need to tick. So you need to tick all these 3 different boxes. Now, once you've done that, you tap on I agree at the bottom side of the screen. And then the next thing is to enter your first and last name right here, and you enter your email address. Now, once you've done that, you're registered for this investment, and now it's time for you to actually invest. So once you've done all of that, it will take you back to the home page on the Trove app, and then you come again and tap on Get Started again. So once you tap on Get Started, you'll be seeing Introducing Earn by Trove. Easily earn passive income, put your money to work and watch it grow, earn interest easily without the guesswork, and also you can choose between earning in Naira or dollars. This is another interesting thing about this investment. So you can earn in Naira or dollars. And then the last thing is that your funds can only be withdrawn upon maturity with longer tenures yielding higher returns. And then you come to the bottom side of the screen and tap on Start Earning. And right here, you can see that you can lock your funds in USD or in Naira. So you can see lock your money in Naira or lock your money in dollars. So let's start with lock your money in dollars. So let's start with that. Then once you pick lock your money in dollars, you tap on Continue. And the next thing is how long would you like to save for? So you can see that you can save for 12 months, 9 months, 6 months, and 3 months. So you can see for 12 months, you can lock your funds for 12 months and you earn 7.5% interest. For 9 months, you earn 6.5% interest, while for 6 months, you earn 5.5% interest, and then for 3 months, you get 3.5% interest. Now, one thing about this investment that I've noticed is that for Naira, you earn higher interest, while for dollars, you earn lower interest. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go back to where you have lock your money in Naira and tap on Continue. Now, you can see that for 12 months, you are going to be earning 16% profit, while for dollars, you are just earning 7% when you are saving for 12 months. So you can see the gap or the difference in the amount of interest you are earning. So you can see for 9 months, you'll be getting 13% profit, while for 6 months, you'll be getting 10% profit, and for 3 months, you'll be getting 9% profit. So you can see that if you are investing in Naira, you get to earn more interest. By investing in dollars, you get lower interest. So if you are the kind of person that you want to keep your money in dollars, then you go for the one where you have to lock your money in dollars. But if you're the kind of person that you want to focus more on the amount of interest you are earning, that is, you want to earn higher interest, then you can go for lock your money in Naira. I hope you understand. So for this video, let's say we want to lock our money in Naira for 12 months. So I'm going to be picking 12 months right here and tap on continue. Now the next thing is to pick the amount of money you want to invest. So you can see that the minimum amount you can lock is 5,000 Naira and the maximum amount is 10 million Naira. So let's say for example you want to put in, let's say 200,000 Naira. Let me put 200,000 and then you tap on continue. And then the next thing is to name your earn by Trove plan. So let me name this Femi's plan. I'm going to be naming it Femi's plan. And then you can see the amount you are locking is 200,000 Naira. And then you tap on continue. Now the next thing is, how do you want to fund your investment? Is it by bank transfer or from your fixed income wallet? So for now, I don't have any money in my fixed income wallet. So let's say for example I want to do bank transfer. And just tap on continue. And then right here you'll be seeing the summary of your investment. So you can see amount invested is 200,000 Naira. Interest rate is 16% per annum. And interest at maturity is 32,000 Naira. And the tenure I'm saving for is 365 days. So that means my maturity date is June 3rd, 2024. And I'll be receiving 232,000 Naira at the end of my investment. So how this works is that you're going to be getting your interest daily until the end of the investment period. So you'll be getting your investment daily. So 16% is for 1 year. So if you want to calculate for 1 day, you can just do 365 divided by 16. That's the percentage you're going to be getting for each day. So you'll be getting that each day in your investment, but you can't withdraw your interest or your capital or anything until the end of your investment period. Also, if you're the kind of person that you have an amount of money somewhere that you don't want to spend or you want to keep away for a long period of time, then this kind of investment is best for you. At least you'll be keeping your money away and also be earning interest on your money. Now, I'm sure you might have 1 or 2 questions about this kind of investment, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section of this video. I'll be replying to every comment I get. And also, if this is your first time hearing about the Trove app, it is an app that is majorly used for investing in foreign and Nigerian stocks. And if you want to learn how to make money by investing in Nigerian stocks or foreign stocks, I have a playlist on that. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description below. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.